Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Canva video editor on laptop, easy guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Canva website. Log into your Canva account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the home page. Type video in the search bar and press enter. From the results, select the video option to start a new video project. You will be directed to the video editor interface. On the left side, you will see various templates to choose from. Browse through the available templates and select one that fits your project. Click on the chosen template to open it in the editor. To customize the text, click on the placeholder text boxes. Type your desired text and adjust the font, size, and color using the toolbar above. To change images, click on the image you want to replace. You can either upload your own images or use Canva's library. To upload your own, click on the Uploads tab and select your files. Drag and drop your uploaded image onto the canvas. To add video clips, click on the Videos tab in the left panel. Search for video elements you want to include. Simply drag and drop the selected video clip onto the timeline. Adjust the length of the video by dragging the edges of the clip. To add music, click on the Audio tab in the left panel. Browse through the audio options and select a track. Drag the chosen audio track to the timeline. To preview your video, click the play button located above the timeline. Make any necessary adjustments to the clips or audio. Once you are satisfied with your project, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Choose your desired file format, such as MP4, for video files. Click Download to save your video to your laptop. Congratulations! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.